It ain't hard to love me, is it? I'm just tryna fall with you. I put diamonds in your ears. Don't let them hoes put bugs in it. Don't let these bitches tell you I ain't right or I'm a fuck.
Time success, man. As you see behind me, we got a 2023 G-Wagon, G63, man. We doing full color change from black to Tiffany blue. Stay tuned and watch this breakdown. Man, y'all see what's going on. You know, we getting the seats taken out. You know, I got Elwood Customs right here. We out in Florida with it. Man, bust down. We just giving y'all a little update. We taking the door panels off. Right now, we about to take the last two, the driver's side, then we're gonna take the back seat out, and then we're gonna bust down the center console and the dashboard. Easy money, man. Let's go ahead and take the other two door panels off. We already got all four of the door panels out, the seats. So just let you see how the inside look here. We gotta take the center console on the dash out. We'll take that out in probably about 30 minutes. Just the process of what costs $14K to do. See what's going on, man. Shit, we busting this bitch down. We already got the monitor out. We taking the rest of the dash pieces out. Hey, this ain't for the weak, man. So don't think you're gonna just be able to, you know, get in the G-Wagon and bust it down for watching this video. It definitely ain't that simple, but I make it look simple. So we over here working, y'all stay tuned. Man, Customs ain't bullshitting, y'all. Y'all seen, I usually don't do work with people, but shit, I had confidence in my bro was gonna be able to, you know, instead of slow me down, speed up the process and shit. We moving fast. We probably like, I say about 2 hours in. So, just the process of how it go down, man. So now, we're gonna pop out the silver trim. The silver trim right here gonna come out. So I'm gonna show you how you do that. So here we starting the breakdown part. I gotta disassemble the airbag. So like I tell you, taking the stuff out of the vehicle is one part. Now this is the part. So just to show you, we already got one of the seat covers off. As you can see what go behind this because customer want only this Tiffany blue. So we had to take the back off. I have to break these plastic wheels. So there's just a lot that go in depth with this. He ain't finished the doors yet. He almost done with the center console. We had to take the armrests out. We got to break these off. So we'll disassemble it. So the doors and the seats gonna probably be in the morning because we accomplished a lot today by, you know, scripting the whole truck. So just giving y'all updates. So it was good, guys. So late night getting it in. Just got done spraying the base coat, as you can see on the door panels and stuff, man. It don't look crazy. So the pieces that you see covered up is because, you know, I dyed that part for those pieces first, and then I had to cover everything up to do these, man. Look at the detail. It got a little gloss to it because, you know, ain't no top coat on it, but let y'all see the seat, man. Y'all see that? Y'all look crazy, man. But we zoom a little bit. But yeah, that seat look crazy, as you can see. But yeah, that's everything, man. But I'm gonna do another coat and then top coat everything, and then shit, y'all stay tuned. So it's good, y'all. Giving y'all an update. Me and Elle, we got the dash in. Here, these some of the pieces we still got to put together. Just giving y'all a little update. Right now we tightening the dash down. Yeah, that blue look crazy. So stay tuned. You know, we still got a good bit to do. We still got to put the little small things together, just to show y'all like why it's important to break things down. So like this the foot piece right here, right? I like when that AMG thing going, that shit gonna look crazy, man. But yeah, we working. Giving y'all an update, man. Shit, we already got the dash in. I've been a little late with recording, but just giving y'all a little update. We're gonna put the seats in, the doors and stuff tomorrow, so yeah, they coming along real good. Tiffany look crazy. Customer gonna do the headline on Tiffany blue as well. Even though I think it should stay black with each of their own, we still gotta do the floor mats and stuff. But yeah, just giving y'all an update. Y'all, we working, man. We already got this floor mats in. Shit, was putting the side panels in over there, man. Shit about to be crazy. We about to put this seat in right here. We about to go, door panels will be done in the morning, so that shit gonna be crazy, man. Glowing. Man, we working. I'm about to put this piece right here on this panel right here, plastic. Well, this how it's supposed to look right here. Once I'm done, so you see how that's done. But yeah, blue going crazy. Steering wheel, gotta put that together. Let y'all see, it's over here. It already dry now. Oh yeah, that job about to be crazy. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Tomorrow is where we showcasing the full thing. You look like you're struggling over there, bro.
We good.
What's good, guys? You know your boy Tyler says back, man. Look at the door panel. Man, hey, this is what me and Elvis are waiting on. Man, we about to put the door panel on, so y'all gonna have the first view how this, man, I keep looking at this shit. This shit look crazy, man. And as y'all see, you know, everything back plastic well, the door. You know, ain't no loose shit, so you know we do everything right around here. Stay tuned with me, everybody put this door panel together, and yeah, that shit about crazy. God damn, that shit look good, man. Let me let y'all see the details of this thing, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Like we kept the pocket black. You know, just small little details like that right there, man. Like, Yup. Hey, boy, we did our thing on that. Hey, don't worry about it. Other three, you know, we have it together tomorrow. But hey, this junk look crazy. Let me just go on the other side and get a video of how that thing look. Man, let's see. Oh yeah, that look good, bro. Yeah, that looks good. Like the you can't even see the vibrancy of it right now because, you know, ain't no light or nothing. But man, that junk look crazy. But we about to do the steering wheel, put it together, and yeah, stay tuned. Oh, and we did the mats. We did the custom mats as well. Y'all see what that thing say? AMG, Mercedes-Benz. We ain't bullshit. So. Oh, yeah, we almost done. We did the trunk piece, just the back. Yeah, that junk look crazy. Giving y'all an update what's going on. Crazy, man. We still gotta put the Embros back on, but yeah, just showing y'all a look at how that thing look. Good, guys, so here, this is the final finale, man. Me and Elwood Custom, we just got done with the finished product. Man, like I said, 2023 G-Wagon. We did the Tiffany blue, the tie edition, man. Come check it out, Elwood. Let them see what it looks like, man, when we did it. This shit was crazy, man. Let them see those floor mats, man. Let them see what the fuck going on there. Yeah. Yeah. Shit, hey, we even did the back, man. So shit, let's follow me. Let me let y'all see. We even did the back, man. So nice little touch on it. So hey, but y'all stay tuned. It's the final product for Big T's Customs. Now Elwood Customs about to do the full star headliner. So hey, y'all check his page out. It's Elwood Customs. I'll be shouting him out anyway. So in case y'all don't know who he is, but stay tuned. He about to turn out. He doing stars in the doors and stars in the headliners. Hey, y'all stay tuned. Your boy Child of Success out.
I'm just trying to fall with you. I put diamonds in your ears. Don't let them hoes put bugs in it. Don't let these bitches tell you I ain't right or I'm